My name is Sangeeta. I am studying third year BTech in Adishankara Engineering College. Today's topic is what is microcontroller? A microcontroller is a component integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes a processor, memory, and input output perhaps on a single chip, sometimes referred to as an embedded controller and microcontroller units. Microcontrollers are found in vehicles, robots, office machines, medical devices, mobile radio, transfers, vending machines, and home appliances, among other devices. They are essential, simple, miniature personal computers designed to control small features of a large component without a complex front-end operating system. This is a my 8051 microcontroller. How do microcontroller works? A microcontroller is embedded inside of a system to control a singular function in a device. It does this by interpreting data it receives from its input-output reflects using its central purpose. The temporary information that the microcontroller receives is stored in its data memory, where the processor accesses it and uses instructions stored in its program memory to decipher and apply the incoming data. It then uses its input output to communicate the intent the appropriate action. For example, a car might have many microcontrollers that control various individual systems within, such as an anti-locking braking system, transition control, fuel injection, or suspension controllers. All the microcontrollers communicate with each other to inform the correct action. Some might communicate with a more complex central computers within the car, and other might only communicate with other microcontrollers. Then they send and receive data using their input, output, and processor that data to perform their distributed tasks. Microcontroller features. A microcontroller's purpose processor will vary by application. Open range from the simple 4-bit, 8-bit, or 16-bit processor to more complex 32-bit or 64-bit processor. Microcontroller can use volatile memory types such as random access memory and non-volatile memory type. This includes flash memory, erasable program read-only memory (EEPROM), and electrically erasable programmable read-only memory (EEPROM). Generally, microcontrollers are designed to be readily usable without additional computing components because they are designed with sufficient onboard memory as well as offering pins for general input-output operations, so they can directly interface with sensors and other components. Types of microcontrollers. Common microcontroller units includes the ITEL MCS51, often referred to as an 8051 microcontroller, which was first developed in 1985. The AVR microcontroller developed by Atmel in 1996. The programmable interface controller from microchip technology, the various licensed advanced RISC mission microcontroller. A number of companies manufactured a cell microcontrollers including NXP Semiconductor, Reasons Electronics, Silicon Labs and Texas Inc. Instruments. Microcontroller applications. Microcontrollers are used in multiple industries and applications, including in the home and enterprises, building, automations, manufacturing, robotics, automotive, lighting, smart energy, industrial automation. Communication with Internet of Things IoT developments. One very specific application of microcontroller is its use as a digital signal processor. Frequently incoming analog signals come with a certain levels of noise. Noise is the in this context means ambiguous values that cannot be readily translated into standard digital values. A microcontroller can use its ADC and DAC to convert the incoming noise analog signals into and every outgoing digital signals. Thank you for giving this opportunity.